Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing Unravel, level 6 if I'm correct, down in a hole. Don't know really what to expect anymore because I did some more research and apparently there is 12 levels. I have only spotted 7 or 8. So this is going to be a little bit longer series than I thought. But hey, that's fine. I'm gonna try to play through this entire level in one playthrough, like I did Mountain Trek and what was the last one called? Off the Rails. And I'm hoping I just don't get stuck again, but who knows? Knowing me, I probably will. Whoa. This is like the first time I've ever had like a scary scene. Oh! Oh! Shoot, dude. Where am I supposed to go? Oh. I can't read that. All I read is mining lab, I'm guessing, and stop. I can't read anything else though, but this game just took a whole new turn. Wait, what happened? Is that Rhonda? Well, I know I gotta get up there somehow. Oh, I get it. It's actually kind of smart. Here. There we go. We can get some more yarn. And then we come up here, swing, swing, and... No! Oh, well, we can die instead. That's nice. Okay. Here, here, and here. Okay. We just go up and over. Oh! It's like we're breaking an area without breaking an area. We go up the hill. Oh, up and over. I think this is gonna be like a dark level. I don't know why. It just feels like a really dark level. Oh. Any idea where we're supposed to go now? Maybe? Anything? Maybe? I think maybe we're just supposed to fall down. Go up and over the can now? Ugh! Jeez, dude. What's that? Oh. This don't look safe, but I think I'm gonna need it. What the? Okay. We gotta push it up. Okay. So let me tie something here. I have a feeling this might be like one of the cooler levels, but the cooler levels usually have the harder puzzles. Yep, I knew it. We need to see it up. Alright. Well, I see that, but what is that used for? Oh, that's what that's used for. That's what that's used for. That's what that's used for. Hide, hide, hide. It's gonna run over me. Oh, or like it's gonna go right into me. Oh, dude, you're joking. Okay. Jeez. Come on. Okay. So we need this again. We know that. No. Push this up, please. No. Move you a little bit, and then now we can push you up. Okay. And put this here. And we can drag you. Now, we gotta find out where we're supposed to hide. I mean, we could just try to run. After that first one, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. It went over me last time. Okay. There we go. That's what I thought. Alright. And then checkpoint, and we're safe from rolling barrels. Alright. That's not safe. Whoa. Ugh. Yeah, no, that is... I didn't mean to... Okay. Alright, so... Yes, we have to... Oh, you're really gonna do this to me right now? You serious? Yeah, just get smushed. I'm missing something. Why does it break every single time? How do you get out of that then? Unless you're supposed to try to like juke it. Which I know, cookies. I mean, I guess you could try. Just okay, okay, okay. See? Aha! I'll try to juke it. And now there is our first secret. I'm guessing we're gonna need this for something. Ah, yeah. Okay. Oh, I get it. No, we got a tie swing here. Told us the rain. Jeez, this is like a dark episode or a dark level, whatever you want to call it. And up, up and away. Can I not drop down? It's a problem if I can't. Are you kidding me? Dude, I don't understand what we're supposed to do here. Push this through. Or out, that works. I think we were supposed to, oh, I know what we can do. Okay, see, we can use this little thing. Then from here, okay, no, that's not what I meant to do. Alright, we can swing, swing, and swing, and then release. There we go. Okay, nice. Then that's probably from where we drop down, and then tie the knot here, tie the knot there, and then take this. Oh. I don't know if that's what we were supposed to do or not. I honestly want to say it's not. I didn't. Okay. 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 Let's see. Drop down. We know that the bottles. Oh, the bottle's already in there? Are you serious? Alright, so we can just jump up here then. I think we have to use that bottle to get over here, so I can tie the knot here. And then I can actually jump up here. Now what do I do? I have no idea. I'm I have no idea what we're supposed to do. I can't see anything. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing. Hold on, let me see if I can go back. Oh, are you serious? You should be able to go through that. Okay, well that's stupid that you can't. Never mind, just untie all this then. Okay. So, unless I'm supposed to untie. Dude, what the heck? I'm about to lose my mind. I think we're supposed to get up here. Jesus, okay, then get me up here. Let's go, game. Okay, or we're not supposed to get up here. Dude, okay, well. Okay, I don't even know what we're supposed to do at this point. Cause can you make that okay, no. Dude, I don't wanna okay. Yeah, the stupid acid. Alright, yeah, no. This acid is what's killing me. All the time. Dude, you can't, okay, that's not okay then, because I have to get across that. I can't not get across. I literally pressed square to tie the knot and it said, nope, you ain't gonna do that. Okay. Yes, good. There, now I can't die, okay. Oh, unless I'm supposed to swing myself over to that one. Which is a possibility, or I'm supposed to swing myself up here. I think that maybe I'm supposed to swing myself over to the next one. Oh, looky there. Oh, don't crush me though. Okay, well we figured it out. So this bucket has literally nothing to do with any of this, which is kind of funny. No, you're not gonna run away from me this time. Okay, so as soon as we let that thing go though, we have to, and swing, down, swing, release, and grapple. And then, yes, okay. Now it's gonna roll off. Perfect. Okay, now we have to come up here. Everything's literally rolling away from me, which is kind of funny. Okay, up here, and you jump. Okay, and you're here. Oh, Jesus, I almost just killed myself. Alright. Okay, well, you gotta be able to get it somehow. Can me. No, you can't, unless you can. I'm just being dumb. Haha! Look at me. I'm so special. No, I'm just... Alright. That branch was about to snap. Snap, crackle, and pop. Oh, you're gonna try to kill me again? Alright, go for it. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna kill myself going down this hill. Literally. Okay. Good. Get me your Ah? Oh, you're supposed to. I feel so dumb. Okay. So you're actually supposed to follow the rocks. And you're supposed to. Dude, okay. Well, I was close enough. Yeah, I probably want to make that big rock, and then I can jump on. Okay. I just thought you had to like wait for one to actually come down. Okay. Ready. Oh. Or there we go. We got it, because we're just like that. Oh, we're supposed to go over? Wait, what? Eh! Jeez! It's like this game turned into a horror game without being a horror game. Give me this yarn. Thank you. Give me, oh, under the truck? Okay. Oh, is this the truck that we got hit by? Okay, well, no, this is movable. I'm not that dumb. Come on. Okay, well. Anything else I'm supposed to do, or is that it? I think we're supposed to go back to the front. Oh. Are you serious? Oh, dude, were we supposed to do that? Okay. Yeah, so what we're supposed to do is this has to go on that button. Okay. Now that we know what we're doing, but then yeah, how do we get up here then? Actually, a really good question. How do we get up here? So I have to use this to get up here. Okay, that's okay. So we were actually supposed to do that from the start. Because then from there we can access that one, yeah. And then we can use this to swing onto there, and then onto there. Okay. Okay. Okay, so no, that's just what I mean. I thought it wasn't on yet. It's not. Alright, so, yes, here, jump up, push the cord in. Okay. Now we have electricity, the mean thing that's trying to murder us. Okay. And we wait. Okay. Woo! Wait, what? There we go. Alright. Yeah, this level is pretty cool. I mean, the puzzles aren't that hard, but they're also kind of challenging. Dude, I've been scared since... Hey, Eddie! Okay, well, there has to be something. That's the police. Okay, great. Now move this. And we can go back here. Yippee! Third one. Okay. Are we... Eh? Wait. Hold on. Wait. This is very confusing. Okay, hard hat, I don't know what that's for. But what I'm thinking is, can I pull this? Or... I'm very confused right now. Unless we use the hard hat? To get... Oh, I think we're supposed to use, like, the hard hat. That's what the hard hat's used for. Come on, hard hat. Let's go. I'd bring you back. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You can make it. Come on. The struggle to even pull you in the first place. Okay, now as long as it doesn't kill me. Perfect. Let's go. Oh. There has to be some way to get inside of there. Oh, well there's the lever or something. Are we pulling it? We are. Come on, keep pulling it. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Okay. So we can use this, tie a knot here, and then tie a knot there. Alright. Up. And then get more yarn. And then can we go in from here? Hey, we can. Oh, that's not okay, because we should be able to. Oh, there we go. We'll just yeet. Oh, we're supposed to... Come on, dude. Let's see, because I thought the... Do we not go this way? No. I'm so confused right now. Wait, that was a checkpoint. We had to go in here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we're working. And just pull this back. Come on. There you go. Oh, excavator? Just, ooh. Boom. Okay, now, I don't believe. I just have a feeling that we can, like, do something, you know? Like, what's. Come on. There has to be something else we can do with this thing. You know? You know what I'm saying? You know? Like, if you know, you know? Bruh. Bro, try to kill me. Come on, there's no way that's it. Wait, here, let's try to get inside the excavator. Oh, come on, we can pull it a little further. No? Okay. Oh, no way, here we go. No, no, okay, well... That's it? That's all there is? Oh. Alright, let's keep moving. Oh wait, that's the piece. That's it. It's a spider? Oh. Crow? What? That's our piece! What? What? This one? Wait, no. Oh, yeah, how much is enough? Alright, that was a really weird turn. We didn't get our piece. But anyways, so next time we'll do how much is enough. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.